Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we are going to take the Forester for a drive. Alright guys, we're actually going to take the Forester out for a drive tonight. I've actually put some boost references into a table, so hopefully we can actually hit some boost because there was no reference for the wastegate control. So let's move some cars around and get the Forester out. So maybe I'll see, started to do the painting on the skyline. So hopefully that doesn't take too long and we can get the Forester back in, because we need to get those stage 2 cams that are behind the seat in, so then we can finally go get a dyno tune. Also, I ordered some parts. They should be here on Thursday. So I've got the sump coming. I've got a new tensioner bracket coming because I think I've stripped the thread on the one that's in there and I repaired it, but I want to make sure it's all perfect. And some new cam seals and some other things too. So yeah, they should be in next week. So we should have pretty much everything we need to finish the build finally after many years. Actually, I won't be finished until I actually get the compound system working on it, but you know what I mean, get a dyno tune. Alright guys, don't know if you can really see me that well. So also the Haltech gauge came in. Obviously I'm not putting it in just yet. Hopefully tomorrow I can just park the Forester over that way a little bit more. I can pull all the wiring out that's in the footwell and clean up everything that's here, and we can install that Haltech gauge. It's going to be great. I will figure out my oil pressure as well, so it's on there. So also the Haltech can give me some security and protection. So yeah, let's start this up, warm it up, get it up onto the laptop and take for a drive. Hopefully we can hit some boost and it feels a lot better. Fingers crossed guys. Alright guys, so I managed to take out the other boost gauge. So now we've only got one. Just had to change over the daisy chain. So all good. We are up to temperature, we're at 85. So wish me luck. I've got a quarter of a tank. The steering's okay. Here we go boys. Oh, someone's been playing with my mirrors. I had a birthday barbecue with the family today. It's my birthday throughout the week. That's probably also why I haven't really uploaded this much this week. Been chilling out. So you're at a good angle. Oh, it's great. I've got a box in the back of parts too. So cleaning up the garage for painting. So there might be a bit of noise back there. We are logging. Sucker on. Can't really do much around here then. Too many people. Steering's doesn't feel right. Cool. It feels too light. How's that possible?
Making more boost now. Oh, power steering's gone tight. Shit! I'm gonna have to check my target air fuels. Now the power steering's alright. Get a good dose out of it. Alright, so we've got boost control now, which is great. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check out the power steering. I can baby it, so I think it's when it's time, I'll get the engine out, do the cams. Coolant temps at 85. Nope. Fine up a little bit.
Alright, so just looking at this log, I got up to 13.6, target at 13.1, so it overshot just a little bit there. But it came out alright. I took the foot off at 10, and down to 8. So we got 32% throttle position, down to 29, and up to 35, 33, and yeah, we're at 13.4 there. Ignition angle 11. Yeah, definitely needs a tune. Injector flow 23%. We're at 11.9 there. Not bad actually. Yeah, I'm just going to go through this and have a quick look. But drivability, not the best. So you're going to have to look at this steering as well, because it went hard. Probably 3/4 of the log. It wasn't until I got down and did a left-hand turn at the roundabout that it actually became soft again. Alright guys, I think I should do a compression test. I think it might be a bit low. I think I might need to have a smaller piston ring gap. Now that I'm not really shooting for a high boost, but yeah, I think I just went too big of a gap, and now getting a little bit of piston slap, what you can hear on startup, and I think I also need to adjust my cold start so it runs a bit longer. So once it warms up it's fine, but when it's cold, and the way that Heltec starts it up, after about 30 seconds it drops down and it still hasn't really got the juices flowing. So my thought is compression test, check that out, and get new piston rings and probably get new bearings for the crank and the rods, just to freshen everything up while it's out doing the cams, because while it's out doing the cams I'll have to wait for the shims to come in if I need to change them. So I'm already pretty much there, so might as well do it, right? It's been together for a year or so, untuned as well, so after this gets all back together it'll go for a tune, a proper tune. Yeah, here we go. Post start correction. So after 30 seconds it's all done. It's coolant temperature, so we're sitting around here, 20 to 40 at the 30-second mark. So I guess I could change that time to like a 45 or a 60, and then it will slowly go from the 20-second up to the 60, and it will slowly do the transition, because you can hear it. I'll replay it. Actually, no, I didn't record it before. Just changing that to a 60 will help that smooth out, I reckon. Well, looks like I just added one in. Yeah, I'll smooth them out. See, and then you can see where it sits. It sits at 0% correction. 0%. After 60 seconds, so I started this when I got out onto the road, so it was clearly over 60 seconds. I should start it on startup. At the end, also, when I came into the driveway and parked, put it into park, goes up to over 1,000 on warm. Yeah, also thoughts on doing a manual swap as well. I'm a bit bored of the auto. I love driving my black XT around. And yeah. What are your thoughts on doing the manual swap as well while I'm back on a single turbo? I'm going to have to redo the compound system if I go back to it. So having all the manual stuff in the engine bay will help design that, because once I've done it and I'll try to go to a manual after that, it's going to be hard. It's very tight in there, so if I could do that, that would be awesome. I'll have a lot more control, don't have to put so much data into the Haltech about the auto. Yeah, you can actually just put in numbers because it will go off engine RPM on gearing and stuff like that. So, and I think I can get better speed, vehicle speed sensors and stuff like that for manuals. I think it just goes off the transmission on an auto. Anyways, if you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up. We got out there, we had a drive, it was a lot better than last time, so we are improving. So yeah, give it a like if you liked it, and I'll catch you next episode when I get the Haltech art gauge in there, or gauge art, whatever it's called. Thanks for watching, bye.